So I thought I'd do a couple algebra examples, and this is the first one. A lot of the time what you'll see is something like solve or solve for x is another example of what you would see, and then you'd see something like this, x plus 7 is equal to 19. Now solve for x just means get x by itself on one side of the equation. So what we need to do to get x by itself is move this 7 to the other side. Now there's a special way to do this. What we need to do first is get rid of it on the side that has x. So we're going to do the opposite of plus 7. We're going to say minus 7 on this side. 7 minus 7 is just 0, so that will cancel out. The thing with equations is that you always have to do the same thing on both sides of the equation. So we're going to have to subtract 7 on this side as well. So we're going to get x is equal to 19 minus 7. So then x is equal to 12. And that is our answer. Now our second example is a little bit different. I'm going to say 8x is equal to 32. So to get x by itself here, we're going to need to get rid of this 8. And 8 is multiplied by x. So what we're going to do is divide by 8. And because 8 divided by 8 is 1, we can just cross those out. Now with equations, you always have to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to have to divide by 8. So x is going to equal 32 divided by 8. So x is equal to 4. So for question number 3, we're going to do this one. We're going to do negative 17x minus 4 is equal to 39. So I always approach these questions like peeling an onion. You want to remove the outer layer and get to the center. Whereas x in this question is the center of the onion, we need to start the farthest away from x. So we need to get rid of this minus 4 and move it to the other side. So to do that, we need to do the opposite of minus 4. So we're going to go plus 4, which cancels that out. But we have to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to get negative 17x is equal to, now 39 plus 4 is 43. Now to get x by itself, we still need to get rid of this negative 17. So we're going to divide by negative 17, right? We're doing the opposite. It's negative 17 times x. We're going to divide by negative 17, divide by negative 17. So then x, because those two are canceled, is equal to 43 over 17. But that's a negative number because it's a positive 43 divided by negative 17. So that's actually equal to negative 2 and 9/17, or equal to negative 2.53 if you put it in your calculator and round it. And that's how you do some basic algebra.